Nature is good. Nature is part of life. Nature holds the oxygen that we breathe. So we can't take for granted the other living life around us. But as soon as humanity reaches back to its roots and connects to nature again and all the wonders of life, hopefully that all these people will get back to their senses and let these divine beings of nature show them what true oneness is. They're closer, unaltered in their thought processes and processes, and they get to a greater level of comprehension and wonder. But us humans are capable of it too. We just got to reach to our greatest possibilities.